Okay, problem here. Anybody seen our special guest? Vader, you're supposed to be here on stage.
Well, see, now that's why I'm calling you here on this video communicator applicator thing.
Yeah, but your connection, it's not so great, Vader.
Hold on. This better?
No, not really. And now you're muted. You're muted. There you go. So what's going on, buddy? Where are you?
You ain't gonna believe this. I was on my way to this here car racing show, and dadgummit, the craziest thing did just happen.
Oh, boy, what happened?
My plumb broke down. I'm a tow truck on the side of the road, waiting for a tow truck. Now tell me that ain't a kicking you one thing.
I'm sorry, buddy. I'm really sorry to hear that. Should we do the reveal anyway?
Does a Hornet Lightning McQueen need a dab of Oppo on turn 7 on a sunny Sunday?
I have no idea what that means, but yes.
Well, you're daggone right he does. Let's get her done.
All right, here goes. As we develop the next generation of Disney experiences, we're always looking for new ways to tell the stories that we all love. Which brings me to Frontierland in the Magic Kingdom. The American West has always been about keeping your eyes on the horizon, believing in yourself, and carving your own path, and striving towards success. That goes from miners in the mountains, bears in the country, maybe a princess from the bayou, or a race car from the big city. That's why I'm happy to announce we're inviting Mater Lightning McQueen to a reimagined section of Frontierland. We're leaving Radiator Springs behind, and we're heading off into the wilderness with 2 new Cars attractions. The first attraction is a thrilling race rally across the frontier. Here you get to climb the mountain trails, you'll dodge geysers, splash through mud holes as you take on the terrain. So you better bring your off-road tires for this one. And since we know how much young children love the whole Cars crew, our second attraction is geared especially for our smallest racers, something that the whole family can enjoy. The Imagineers have been planning for this for a while, and construction on this new Cars area will begin early next year. And this is going to bring some new energy to Frontierland as we continue to grow and evolve the story of what it means to explore the American wilderness. All right. How's that sound, Mater? Did I get it generally right?
Shoot, sounds great to me.
Okay. Well, thanks again for being here. I hope you get a tow soon.
Well,